hair is my heritage. White girls pay for my melanin. My lips, my clothes, my swag, my coat. They all want to get got by the white folk, but no, not no more. This generation said hell no. If you don't love and you hate for fun, hit the road, Jack, you gotta go. I'm black and I'm proud, let me say it loud. I'm black and I'm proud, I love the style. I'm black and I'm proud, I'ma move the crowd. I'm black and I'm proud, let the world hear the sound. I'm black and I'm proud. 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 Pecan tan, black like sand. This melanin can't come in a can. Instead, Jilla Jack go cut the check to get the skin painted tan like Malcolm X. But no, not no more. Kim K got a booty like the globe. Inject they lips, inject they hips. Hey, praying to the Lord that you look like this. But no, I say hell no. Love the skin you in, baby girl glow. No matter the skin that you been born with. Put that lotion on, get a world of show. Pick up your skin, just smile and grin. No matter your color, better love your skin. And no, I'm not a racist. I'm just stating facts. I see a lot of white girls